We often hear that Tucson lacks water and greenery. Well, today we're here to prove that wrong as we take you through a stunning luxury home in a desirable and unique community in Northeast Tucson.
Let's get to it.
Welcome back, or if you're new to this channel and you want to learn everything from A to Z about living in Tucson, AZ, then click subscribe and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market in Tucson, Arizona. Hi, I'm Jennifer Smith, and this is my husband,
Justin Smith.
And we've helped hundreds of people just like you move to
and from
Tucson, Arizona. So whether you're moving in 12 days, 12 weeks, 12 months, we've got you covered. Give us a call, shoot us a text or an email, and let us help you make that smooth move to Tucson, Arizona. All right, so as we mentioned, we are going to take you inside a stunning property in Northeast Tucson in this beautiful community, which is the Lakes at Castle Rock. Now, this community is very unique. There's nothing like it in Tucson, but first let's talk about what's close by. So right across the street, we have a Safeway for all your grocery needs. There's some restaurants over there. Within walking distance is one of our favorite restaurants, which is a locally owned deli sandwich shop of Fortunato's.
You might hear us talk about that in other videos. They do not pay us. We just love that place.
Maybe they should. It is really good. And actually, if they were open today, we would probably be heading over there after this video to grab a bite to eat, but we'll just have to come another day. Now, as far as, close by, besides the grocery and the restaurants, there's also hiking, outdoor activities. We're pretty much right down the road from the base of Mount Lemmon. So if you're looking to cool off or go check out some snow on, those cooler days, during the winter months that we do actually see some snow in the Tucson area, at least up on the mountains, then Mount Lemmon is the place to go. You can be to the base of Mount Lemmon within about 15 minutes from here and up to the top within about an hour.
And that'll give you some good mountain views in the neighborhood too. I mean, you can see across the street and right over the house, see some mountains too.
Beautiful, the Catalina Mountains right there. This whole community is just really amazing. For right now, the HOA is just over $150 a month. And with that, there's 14 lakes in this community, which is amazing. It's gated. There's tennis, pickleball, basketball. There's 2 pools, at least one of them's heated. There's playground, rec center. I mean, gosh, did I cover everything? Fitness center?
Yeah, that's the actual amenities, but the neighborhood itself was built almost 30 years ago.
Yeah.
So all the vegetation is mature. You have great big, huge shade trees, which if you've ever been to Tucson in the summertime, you're really gonna appreciate the shade and the grass. Whether it's just for your own personal enjoyment or if you're taking the dog on a walk, just having that green space and the extra areas to cool down is just a huge benefit. And a lot of the neighborhoods around are probably a little bit jealous of that.
Absolutely. And you might see in this video, because we're filming this during wintertime, we're January 2025, some of the grass is dead. I know he's in a t-shirt.
It is cooling down.
It is. As the sun goes down, it is actually cooler, but I think we were still in the 70s today. But yeah, I mean, you'll see that some of the grass has died off because it does get cooler at night. It's just that time of year. So we do have a video about this community that I believe we shot during the summertime. So you'll see a lot more of that greenery if you head over to our channel and check out our Lakes at Castle Rock video. We really just take a little bit more of an in-depth dive into this community and show you a little bit broader range of pricing. But today we're here to show you and actually take you inside a house, because we know you love when we go inside. So this house behind us is currently listed, not by us, but with our brokerage, a team in our brokerage of realty executives, at $795,000. With that, it offers 2,962 square feet. It was built in 1996. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and one of those bedrooms is actually a second master suite with a separate entrance. So if you have guests or you have mother-in-law, you know, it's almost like its own little guest quarters for them as well. And then it sits on a 0.19 acre lot. This is a corner lot right here. You can see this gorgeous courtyard behind us, right? Like,
yeah, and in my opinion, it's actually situated pretty close to one of the best lakes in the neighborhood. So, you know, we had to stop by there and do a double take. It's a little bit further away from the rec center over here, so I think it's going to get a little less foot traffic, but they have benches strategically placed so you can have your own space. The trees are huge, like 40 foot plus. You have grass out there.
There are some ducks over there.
Yeah, and that's probably less than a 5-minute walk from here.
Absolutely. So now let's take you inside. This house has been updated. We're going to show you everything it has to offer for that just under $800,000 price range, so you can see what you can get in this community.
Can't wait. Let's go.
This stunning gated courtyard. All right, so here's like a separate like living, dining room area. We are gonna head over here to the right. There is the laundry room and the main primary suite. So this is quite large. It also has a sunroom off of it right here with the 2 sliding glass doors that go out to this beautiful backyard. There is a mini split in here, so this gets, you know, nice and cool, stays nice and cool or warm. Great built-ins everywhere. Huge tub, beautiful granite counters, mirror. Everything has been updated and thought of in this. Amazing shower, tile shower, large closet. And these Rogo concrete floors are throughout the property. So if you're someone who's not wanting carpet, these floors are great. Now here is a great room area with the built-ins right off the kitchen, and check out this stunning kitchen. You also have a slider off right there that goes out to the backyard. It's actually a whole side yard. A beautiful oasis up there with orange trees. You have the black stainless steel appliances, large island. I mean, this is amazing extra storage. You have the in cabinet and under cabinet lighting in here as well. You have the pot filler. Yeah, just so much has been thought of and taken care of in this house. Beautiful updated bathroom. One of the bedrooms, again, with its own slider. Bedroom 2, and then this is the secondary primary suite. This door is the exterior access through that courtyard that we came in. Great built-ins, lots of storage throughout this house. Again, beautiful cabinets, granite counters, tile shower. You have 2 closets over here. And now to one of my favorite parts besides this stunning kitchen. You also have this enclosed Arizona room right here that they added with the travertine floors. Again, another mini split. You have these beautiful center close sliders, travertine pavers out here, turf. I mean, it is like a tranquil little oasis. Nothing little about this, but a tranquil oasis in this backyard. You have some Rincon Mountain views. Look at this. This is just so lush, so gorgeous. You wouldn't know that you have neighbors around you. All right, so thank you for touring this stunning property in this very unique Northeast Tucson neighborhood today. If you have any questions about this property or just the community in general, we would love to hear from you. Drop them in the comments below and let us know what you think about this house. Also, if you or anyone you know is thinking about moving to or from Tucson, Arizona, please give us a call, shoot us a text or an email so we can help you make that smooth move. And if you haven't already, make sure that you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so we can keep you updated on the current market in Tucson, Arizona.
As always, thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.